Hello guys, what are these toys covered in mud? What happened here? What toys are hiding inside? Alright, let's wash them and find out. Let's clean this one first. What about this one? Let's clean it. Oh my god, it's a cute animal. Let's try another one. No way. What is this round one? Now all the toys are clean and beautiful. Which one is your favorite? Oh my god, look at these guys. Why are these toys covered in mud? What is inside? I see something, but I'm not sure. Alright, let's wash them and find out. Let's clean the first one. What is this one? Let's clean it. Let's try another one. No way. What about this one? This looks big. Oh my god, it's a car. And this one. Let's clean this. What is this? And this one. And this one. Wow, it's Spider-Man. What? It's Frankie! Oh my god! It's Captain America! What? It's Frankie! What? It's Frankie! Iron Man. Wow guys, we cleaned so many toys. Now they look so colorful and beautiful. Which one is your favorite? Bye guys, subscribe.